Welcome, in front of me is Redmi 13, and in this video I will show you what to do if your facial recognition scanner doesn't recognize your face correctly. So let's enroll a new facial model and let's try to do it correctly this time. So first open the settings, then go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then go to face unlock and draw your pattern to confirm. Select the face data that you already have on your phone. Click delete face data and confirm, and then let's add a new one. But before we do that, you have to wipe the surface of your frontal camera with a dry towel, maybe a paper one, maybe a fabric one. The only thing that we want to achieve is that we can clearly see ourselves in the frontal camera. For the same reason, adjust the lights in your room, and once you're ready with everything, tap add face data, then draw your pattern or enter your password, and then to proceed select start, click next and look directly at the phone's camera. And once the facial data is added, click done. Now, to make sure everything works properly, let's begin by checking if the phone has any updates to install, so that we can make sure that the software version is in touch with the hardware on the phone. So go to the search and search for update, find system update and open it. Let your phone check if there are any updates for your device. Okay, as you can see, no updates are available. Therefore, let's reboot the phone just to make sure that all the changes, to apply the changes. So hold down power button and volume up key, then select reboot and wait until your device is restarted. Once your phone is restarted, first you have to unlock it using your password or lock screen pattern, then put it on the lock screen and try to use your face to unlock it. Okay. And to use face unlock, you have to tap this face icon. Okay, and as you can see, it worked properly for me the first time. Now let's try the second time. As you can see, it works well. And that's what I wanted to achieve, and I hope that you achieved the same result too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.